In this video, we're going to walk through how to make a simple eye loop so that you can hang a piece of a bead from a piece of jewelry that you made. So to make this, you will need your head pin and whatever bead you're using, and your round nose pliers and your flush cutter. You might also want to have your needle nose pliers or your bent nose pliers on hand, but I will show you a way you can do this with. You just need these two tools. So what you need to do first is you need to stick the bead on the head pin, like so. And now you're going to take the wire and you're going to bend it so that it forms a 90-degree angle, like this. So you can, this is where you can use your needle nose plier or your bent nose plier, but I'm just going to simply use my nail to guide the pin. So I'm going to just bend it over like that. There you go. You can see, whoops, that it is on. There you go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your round nose pliers, and depending on how big you want the loop to be, you're going to put the pin, the head pin, wherever you want along the pliers. So you want to make sure you're leaving enough space for the loop to fit in, so the farther up you go, the smaller the loop will be. So I'm going to do it, I don't know, is that about a centimeter? I'm not very good at gauging lengths, but anyway, I'm going to do about here. And it's one of those things that the more you practice it, the better you'll be able to kind of eyeball these things. You're going to grasp the wire between the two ends of the round nose pliers, and then you're going to, again, you can use your needle nose or your bent nose pliers for this, or you can just simply use your fingers and wrap it around. And then you're going to want to adjust the loop on the plier so you can finish pulling that around. So now you can see there's a little loop at the end. And what you're going to do next is you're going to take your flush cutter and you're going to cut as close as you can to the end of the loop near where it meets the bead without cutting the rest of the wire. And I recommend holding it so you're kind of holding the bead and the wire so everything doesn't go flying. So you snip, and there you have it. A very simple eye loop to hang your bead from.